Are you worried that your phone might be listening to you? Do you wonder if your online activities are being tracked? The digital world can be messy and intrusive. If a company collects data and creates a digital persona without your informed consent, it could potentially violate privacy laws, especially if the data is collected secretly or without clear disclosure. For example, laws like the GDPR in the UK/EU or the CCPA in California require that users be informed about what data is being collected, how it will be used, and that they have the option to opt out. But are these disclosures always clear? Obviously, the answer is no. Even some government websites simply advise you to be smart with your smartphone, which isn't always helpful. Here are some steps that may help you set boundaries on your iPhone to prevent it from listening and tracking. Test 1. Check microphone access. And make sure you know which apps can access your microphone. Settings. Privacy and security. Like, for example, if you don't use YouTube for communication, why should it have access to your microphone? 2. Prevent cross-site tracking in Safari. Set Safari to block cross-site tracking. Safari. Prevent cross-site tracking. What is cross-site tracking? It's a technique that tracks your browsing activity across multiple websites using cookies or similar technologies. This allows companies to collect data about you to create personalized ads and content, raising privacy concerns. For instance, if you visit an online store but don't buy anything, you might see ads for that product on other sites later, thanks to cross-site tracking. 3. Prevent cross-site tracking in Chrome. Similarly, turn off cross-site tracking in Chrome. Settings. Allow cross-site tracking. Turn this off. 4. Don't allow apps to request to track. Disable apps from requesting permission to track you. Settings. Privacy and security. Allow apps to request to track. Turn this off. If this setting is on, it allows apps to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites, collecting all kinds of information about you that you don't need to share. 5. Turn off personalized ads and Apple advertising. Settings. Privacy and security. Apple advertising. Turn off personalized ads. While this won't stop all ads, it will prevent Apple from using your data to tailor ads specifically to you. You'll still see high-quality ads, but without as much personalization. 6. Optimize location services. Be mindful of how apps use your location. Settings. Privacy and security. Location services. Location tracking can give companies a very precise idea of who you are. The key word to watch for here is always. This not only affects your privacy, but also drains your battery. For example, if Facebook has always access to your location, it means it's tracking you even when you're not using the app. Consider setting it to while using the app instead. Also, be aware of precise location. When this is on, the app has a more exact location on you, which also impacts your battery life. These settings are a great start, but there's more you can do. Many apps have their own personalized ad tracking features hidden within their settings. We'll dive into that very soon.